knuckles really lead to arthritis?
I have to tell Corinne that for years I thought the answer was yes, and I thought it was bone rubbing against bone. The reality is you cannot get arthritis from cracking your knuckles. It may be an obnoxious habit, but it's not going to hurt your hands.
This is from Laura in
fact, there's this one medical study that they injected milk into the ankle joints of goats, and the goats developed arthritis. So that was one interesting thing. It sounds weird that milk, which is supposed to have calcium, would cause arthritis, but then you realize, well, when are you supposed to drink milk? That's something that's in the blood type diet.